wonderful local Ghanaian exquisite lunch. First time at that place, very nice. What I want to do is to restart our introduction and call everyone up either individually or by family. And it's 2 to 3 minutes, but if you need more time and you have a lot more to share, we're open for it. Alright, so I'm going to pass the mic back to SAS, and she's going to continue the list, and we're going to get everybody connected.
How did you enjoy that meal? It's good food? Yeah, I really wasn't going to order lunch because I try to get my breakfast in real big. I can sometimes be a 1 meal a day person. I burn a lot of energy and like that. But after I came back and saw everybody eat food, and I started looking at it, I said, let me give me some tilapia and chips too. So we had a great meal. Okay. Down the street. Okay, thank you. So I really love the introduction aspect of any journey. Again, a background of relatedness is most essential to building, nation building, construction building, laying a foundation. That's what's up, and this is what's taking place. And so far, my sisters, and they really inspire me to really what family is all about. And I'm very kind of old school, old fashioned. Family's the foundation of everything. I have a very good piece of calligraphy on family, and I'll be glad to show it to you. I did it in 1983, and it helped me to really understand family in relationship to community, in relationship to nation, in a relationship like we're being, which is global, you see. So we're laying a foundation. I would really like to have these family members come up in the order that you feel led. This is a family that is helping us to shape history with Africa for the Africans, with our 10th year of moving from North America to home. And this family has come from Seattle, Washington, the West Coast, and they're among us, and they're great in number. And I'm going to name the name of Michael Davis and Tracy Patterson, son of Yeezy Davis, and Ken Davis, and other brother man too. You know who he is. Ricky Bland and Annie Green, and you know y'all from Seattle, right?
Yeah.
And Ray Harris. Yeah, Ray. So
can I say something now? Ladies and gentlemen, watch both sides of the room.